Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Toppscholars. Today, we'll be discussing about chemical change. So, friends, what is actually a chemical change? We can say a chemical change is a change in which new substances are formed which have different chemical composition as well as physical properties from that of the original substance. So, in a chemical change, what happens is new substances are formed which have totally different chemical composition and physical properties from that of the original substance. Now, friends, these chemical changes can be of two types, that is, desirable chemical changes. For example, ripening of mango is said to be a desirable chemical change, right? During ripening of mango, what happens is there is a change in color, right? You can see the color of the mango changes as well as the taste of the mango changes. It does not lead to any unpleasant odor, right? So it is a desirable chemical change. The next type of chemical change is undesirable chemical changes. For example, rusting of iron is an undesirable chemical change. This is because iron particles, right, when they are exposed to atmosphere in the presence of moisture, what happens is there is a formation of a reddish brown layer on their surface. And this is nothing but rusting. What happens in this is the iron particle starts corroding, it starts rusting. The iron particle becomes brittle, right? And this is why we say that it is an undesirable chemical change, because now the iron particle is not of any use, right? Now, friends, let's discuss some of the important characteristics of chemical change. In order to understand this, what we're going to do is we're going to carry out a very simple experiment. So here, as you can see over here, I have a beaker which has copper sulfate solution which is blue in color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take an iron nail and dip this iron nail in this blue colored copper sulfate solution. Now what we're going to do is we're going to leave this for some time, right? After some time, you will notice that the blue colored solution turns green. And when you remove the iron nail out, you will observe that there is a reddish brown layer which is formed on the iron nail. Why does this happen? So this is because the iron nail reacts with copper sulfate and results in the formation of iron sulfate, which is the greenish solution, whereas the copper gets deposited on the iron nail. Right? So it means that during a chemical change, there is a formation of new substance, right? So we have new substances formed, that is iron sulfate and copper, which is deposited on the iron nail. To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.